Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if it's your first time seeing this beautiful face, kindly consider subscribing. In today's video I will be showing you 5 business ideas that you can start at home. So if you want a side hustle business, or if you want to make more money, you already have a job, or you're a stay-home mom, this video is for you. So continue watching. Make sure you watch until the end, because I'll be giving out a bonus point, or a bonus business idea that is not included in the 5 business ideas. I'll be giving out a bonus, so make sure you watch until the end. So guys, let me share with you a little bit about myself. So a couple months ago, I started making earrings at home, the tassel earrings. So at the beginning, I never thought that it would be a biz that will make a few coins here and there. So I was just doing it for fun. But immediately I started wearing my earrings, people started asking me for orders, and I could make sale, and it was so enjoyable because I would make the earrings in the comfort of my home. So guys, let me just share with you the 5 business ideas that you can do at home and make money. So let's get into the video. So the first business idea that you can do at home is online coaching. Yes guys, it's online coaching. And what do you need to start your online coaching job? The only thing that you need is to establish a niche that you love, that you have the skill, that you can do with minimum supervision. Okay, by establishing your niche is the first steps towards creating a successful online coach. Do you want to be a fitness coach? Do you want to be a nutrition coach? Do you want to be a fashion coach or a beauty coach? Do you want to venture in anything? So in any skill, you can be an online coach. Whatever the skill that you're best in, you can help other people to be better in that skill. For instance, I am a beauty coach and a fashion coach. I coach people online, people that I don't know, strangers. Some pay me, some don't pay me, and yeah, I make money through that. So even you guys, you can start online coaching. The second business idea that you can start at home is a digital marketing business. A digital marketer is the one that's responsible for managing and promoting a company or a product. So for instance, you have this company, you love their services, or you have this company, you love their products. So you come in by promoting their products or their services to people, either online or offline. You can help the company. If it's a small company, you can help them in opening a Facebook page. You can help them in social marketing. You can help them in posting every day, and you are paid by doing this. So digital marketing is one of the best job idea that you can do at home in your comfort of your home. So what are you required to start a digital marketing job? Only a laptop or a smartphone. You're good to go. Try it today and you'll not regret it. The third business idea that you can do at home is an image consultant job. If you love fashion, beauty, or you just love to help people in terms of their image and everything, this is the job for you. So who is an image consultant? An image consultant helps people to have confidence in themselves. He guides, or she guides the people in their appearance. So you can be an image consultant either for an individual or for a company. It's you to choose. And there are so many online courses about image consulting, so you can check them out and you can get more guidance. Many image consultants specialize in certain areas such as clothing, social etiquette, and public speaking. It all depends where you fit in. Do you love helping people in the area of public speaking, or clothing, fashion, style? You can choose, and you'll be paid by doing this. And this is something that you can do in the comfort of your home. You don't need to be employed. You can do it and still do your 5 to 9 job. Okay, how do you start an image consultant job? You have to identify your area of expertise. If you love clothing and styling, and if you love fashion and beauty, specialize with that target market. If you love public speaking, etiquette and everything, specialize, target companies, businesses. But yeah, it all depends with what you are, what this it all depends with the skills that you have. Okay, the fourth business idea that you can start at home is being a website designer. Or yeah, by being a website designer is you'll be designing website for people, for companies, or for individuals, and it really pays well. And you do not have to be employed 8 to 5. You can do it either as a side hustle, or you can do it full time. So just get the required skills, because to be a web designer you have to have skills, you have to learn the skills, and there are so many online courses that you can get in udemy.com. You can get them online for free. Kindly go check those courses out, do them. Maybe it will take a month, or it will take weeks. Then after you have the skills, you can start charging people to design for them. Not only website designing, you can design logo, you can design business cards, you can design flyers. So if you are a good designer, or you have been thinking of design job, you can try it. Okay, the fifth business idea that you can do in the comfort of your home is either becoming a blogger or a YouTuber. So let's start with a blogger. A blogger writes either inspirational messages or tutorials, or maybe you want to inform people or teach people, just giving information. You write like a blog. And what happens with when you start a blog, maybe you have a website, and you're using you have a website. You can monetize your website, you can put ads, and you can be paid by Google after putting the ads there. So you'll be earning from your blog. The next thing is being a YouTuber. I get asked so many questions. Does YouTube pay? Yes, it pays. First, it pays in two ways. You can be paid by YouTube AdSense, or you can be paid as you can be paid in sponsored video or sponsorship videos. So whichever way you want to earn on YouTube, you can earn it, but it doesn't come like this. You start uploading videos, then you're paid. It takes hard work, it takes effort, it takes sacrifice, it takes a lot of content, and having trust with your followers, and getting enough trust with brands that you want to promote. Then at the end of the day, it will pay. So if you're at home and you've been asking yourself, what do I do? And you have your smartphone which has a camera, maybe you like cooking, maybe you like traveling, maybe you like just showing your day in day out life, when you're doing errands, you can just take your phone, vlog, take videos when you're cooking, and then post them. You never know. So this is something. And then by posting your videos, maybe you're doing a recipe, you post it, and then someone will see the recipe, and he or she can offer you a job. So for instance, let me give you my case. So I sell here, and since I started doing YouTube, people see me and they ask me, which hair is that? Where did you buy it from? Is it your own hair? And I am always like, no, I have a hair business. So I change my follower to my client, and that's what you can do with YouTube. So guys, YouTube and blogging and being a blogger, you can make something for yourself. Oh, we are almost done. I promised you guys for a bonus point, and I'm here to deliver it. So my bonus point is affiliate marketing. If you have not heard of affiliate marketing, please kindly go do research. Affiliate marketing is one of the best ways I find fit to make money at home, and it's very easy. You just target brands that you know or you love and you trust, and you can recommend them to your followers or to your friends online. So what is affiliate marketing? So this is, maybe you have a company, you love their products, then they give you a special link. When you share that link, you get commission because of referring people to their website. So initially, it's like when you bring traffic to a certain company or certain website, you are paid. Or when people buy product because they were referred by you, you are paid. So Jumia.co.ke offer affiliate marketing, Kilimall offer affiliate marketing, Amazon, eBay, name them. And most of the companies, the big companies, and most of the companies nowadays are offering, they are giving out affiliate. They have an affiliate marketing program. So what do you need? You just need to sign up. Then when you sign up, now you have your dashboard and you can be given links. You can be able to create links. Then when you share those links, you earn. Okay, yeah, so that's my bonus point. You can, if you want more information on affiliate marketing, kindly comment down below. Let me know. I can elaborate more, or I can go deeper. But now you know affiliate marketing can make you money in the comfort of your home. Wow, we are done with our 5 business ideas that you can start at home. Kindly comment down below. Let me know which are some of businesses ideas that you had already, or you have had for the first time, or you will consider doing them. And if you have enjoyed this video, kindly give it a big thumbs up. If you have not subscribed to this channel, subscribe right now. Subscribe to this channel for everyday content. And yeah, comment down below. Let me know if you have enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up. Until next time, bye bye.